channel. So today we are going to see general stuffs in the market. We'll start with the Reliance. So we kind of study the price action here. So I would straight away go to the basics first. I will teach basics and then I will move into the price action. We'll see the watch list. So these are the stocks we are going to check. So okay, I'll show the basic stuffs in the market. So buy and sell, these are the two conditions in the delivery. But in the options and futures, okay, futures means there is also buy and sell. Simple, you buy it down and you sell it up, or you sell it up and buy it down. These both will give you profits if your view is correct. So when it comes to option, there is both conditions. One is buying and other one is selling. This is what we call as CE buy and PE buy. For selling we call as CE writing and PE writing. That's what I am discussing in this video. So many of them have the question like how to do. So yeah, you have to understand this concept first. A bit tough concept, but you should understand these to get the hand how market works. Okay, we'll start with May itself because May was a huge sideways day because no news, as you could see, just DSL hunting. And still in this June also, May is it is inside the range. Okay, so this is support and this is resistance. Okay, so you see here nothing much of a move in Reliance. Same pattern is repeated in HDFC Bank, as you could see. From May month, it's sitting inside the range, collecting the SL. ICICI same, but it is in the trending zone. Okay, so like it is in the parallel channel. Okay, so you see connecting these dots and connecting these dots. So it might go up, do a breakout or maybe breakdown. That depends upon the OI. We will check the OI. So I'll start with the trading view OI. So I'll take Reliance first. So here is the Reliance chart, and then when you check OI, so clearly both the put writing and call writing has been done here. When you check overall, it is 32 CE, which is definitely greater than 22. Okay, so call writers are still dominating the market here. And then when you check price action is simply sideways. You have to note how open and close as well, because open and close gives you more of information of how sellers are placed in the market. Okay, the close is high, then sellers are strong because it might go up for PE sellers, but if the open is near close, then PE buyers or call writers will be having their positions strong. Okay, so this is for HDFC Bank. Clearly you could see 21 in call writing and 12 in put writing. So this clearly shows that call writers are still holding the market, and it was completely SL day for HDFC Bank also, but it was being sideways, unlike Reliance and HDFC, which has a clear downtrend move. Okay, ICICI put buying has been done here. You could clearly see 18 and 11. So clearly call writers has been taken the market. So this shows very clear idea that call writing can be indication of like market can do a breakdown also, because it is verge. All three of them are facing the support, so if the support breaks we can see a very good move. So let's wait and watch if any news pops up. Okay, here also option chain we have to notice, because this has become the crucial part to check if it is a complete dead move or a bit sideways move. Okay, so I'm checking for Reliance. P and R. So this is Reliance, and then you could clearly see here positive in the call side and negative in the put side. That means it is clearly seller's day for call writers. Okay, we'll check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, the same pattern repeated. You can clearly say call writers are strong here because see, it is showing the decay. Now we'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank and same pattern, similar pattern. So all the stocks are showing CE writing is having the positive decay while the other is not. Okay, so now we will see the close range for Reliance. So this is just the 10x stock. So you write call writing and put buying is the condition going on here, and then you could see 42,000, which is definitely greater than 15. So clearly call writing has been added here in the close range of 40M. And check HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and then when you check HDFC Bank, put writing and call writing. So clearly call writing are strong here. You see here 30 versus 13. So heavy call writing has been put. So there is the chance of doing a breakdown instead of breakout, because if call writing is heavy, sometimes it can go down also. Or that support break, if price action is near the support, then think that it is easy for sellers to make it fall rather to do it. So same pattern here, and it is 19 and 7. So ICICI looks very very bearish for me. So next week probably it will show a breakdown, or maybe tomorrow also, because at some point they are collecting SL and then they might show a nice move. Okay, so it should be ready for this month, like it should be a great breakout or breakdown. Okay, we'll go, the final is the straddle. Okay, so we'll try to put price action side by side so that we will get an idea. So I'm taking Reliance here, and we'll try to connect the price action with the straddle movement. So this is Reliance, and I'm going to take Reliance here. So this is Reliance basically, and this is for third price action, and then you see here it is still the inside candle. Okay, so this is the high and this is the low. So you could see maximum time it was sideways, the first half also, the second half also, except for the 12 p.m. which has the good move. So 1420, so the purple line. So you see it was a positive decay. So it's a positive decay for Reliance. Now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is for HDFC Bank, and then you could clearly see it was an inside candle indeed, and this is the high and this is the low, and then you could see first half it's been very sideways, as you could clearly see here in the trading view website. Okay, we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is third, open was 30, so we'll find 20, so yellow line. This is also a profitable decay for HDFC Bank, because first half itself it was sideways, so we can easily guess that. We'll go and check for ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank was a bit bearish, so we have to see how the performance was. So you see it was clear SL hunting from the previous day. So the starting candle itself was the SL hunting. So mostly long straddle would work for ICICI Bank very clearly than the short straddle, but it should be, in a positive close, because yeah, definitely, you see, only the first candle was, very bearish, then after that it was complete sideways, so that's why you could see decay, positive decay. So first week it's going to collect SL, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you, keep supporting my channel.